In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can make your story public on TikTok. Okay, so I'm going to open up TikTok right now. I'll be on my homepage. And to demonstrate this, I'm just going to upload a quick story. So I'll tap on the create button to upload something. And I'll just record something real quick. Okay, there we go. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to tap on post to story. And you may have noticed that when you post your stories, they go as private initially. So to change that, once it's uploaded real quick. Okay, so now that it's uploaded, we can just wait for that to disappear. And then you can tap on the story. Then you want to tap on those three horizontal dots underneath the comment button. A menu will pop up. Then you want to tap on the second option there that says privacy settings. And then it says who can watch this video, and you can see for me it's on only me. It's been defaulting to this since I've been uploading stories. So to change that, tap where it says only me, and then you can just say everyone. And then when you select everyone, that means that story is now public. Then you can also choose to allow comments on that story, and now that's saved. And you can just exit out of there, and now the story is public. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto it and subscribe for more. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care.